Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start over on TurboTax. If you've begun your tax return and realize you need a fresh start, don't worry. TurboTax allows you to clear your current progress and begin anew. This is particularly useful if you've made significant errors or simply want to re-enter your information from scratch. Just be sure to save any important details you might need later before proceeding. To clear your return, first log into your TurboTax account. Look for the Tax Tools menu, usually found on the left-hand side or at the top of your screen. From there, select Clear and Start Over. TurboTax will then ask you to confirm this action. Remember, once you confirm, all the information you've entered will be permanently deleted, so proceed with caution. Once you've cleared your return, your TurboTax account will essentially reset. It will be as if you're starting your tax preparation for the very first time. All the forms, schedules, and data you previously entered will be gone. This gives you a completely clean slate to accurately input your tax information without any lingering errors from your previous attempt. It's a fresh start. It's crucial to remember that the Clear and Start Over option is only available before you've officially filed your tax return. Once submitted, you cannot use this feature. If you're unsure, you might want to print or save a PDF copy of your current return before clearing it. This way, you have a reference, even if you decide to start fresh. Always double-check your new entries carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.